This is one of the craziest things I've ever done on my online business ever. So one of my best-selling products, 10K a month, teaches people how to generate over $10,000 a month from the inside out with all of the internal strategies needed. And you can do this in any industry and with any type of skill set. Now, not only am I relaunching this product, creating a new version of it and having this available to everybody, I am giving you the rights to now resell this product, which means that you can take this powerful workshop, one of my best-selling products, and you can go out there yourself and you can sell it and you can keep 100% of the money. There is no affiliate kickback to me. I do not make anything from this at all. This is my gift to you and my gift to humanity so that you can leverage my knowledge and expertise and we together can create a bigger ripple out there in the world. So if you want to be a part of this, if you want access to this, if you want to dive into this workshop for yourself, then just comment below with 10K and I'll get all the details out to you around how you can plug into it. I'm so excited to do this with you.